Assalamualaikum viewers, we have completed our 4 lectures of data analytics using MySQL. We are welcome you in lecture number 5. It is about order by. Order by is used for sorting the columns or fields of the databases. In Microsoft Excel it is known as column, and in MySQL it is known as the fields. Likewise, in your viewed screen, amount is the field and sales date is the field. If what we want that data should be viewed, should bring after the query in sorted order, we would use the order by. Let's explore what this option is. First of all, we would write a query from sales table, and we would add 2 fields like sale date and amount. Sale date is a the data type of sale date is a string, and the amount data type is a integer. So we complete writing the query and run this query, and we can see here views. Sale date is appearing in first column and result grid, and the amount is appearing in a random order. First is 8,400, second is 532, and the third one is 5,376. So there is a big problem for the viewer to decide which amount is in which order, which amount is greater than what is the maximum amount and what is the minimum amount. First of all, to view the amount of sale, the amount in order wise, either it should be from small to the largest value, that is known as ascending to descending, and opposite to it is descending to ascending. For example, this right now the query is showing the result containing the amount in random order. If we want to make it order wise from smallest value to the highest value, so we will write a query, and right now by adding in this query order by. Right now, if we have written the order by demands the field name. The field name is the amount, and after it order by requires either the data should be in ascending order, descending order. We want that it should be in smaller to the highest value, so for that we would add here is ascending value. So here you can see the data has appeared in ascending order from smallest to the highest amounts. This is all about the order by, usage of order by for sorting the data from ascending to descending. So what if we'll write a query with a little bit change from descending order. So what we'll add here, in that query we will add just change ascend to descent, rest would same okay. We have just changed ascend to descent, and we'll see what is happening in the result of the query. As you can see it, the highest value has appeared in terms of the amount, that is 27,146, and we have also seen what is the minimum amount, that is the 0. So viewers, this is the end of lecture 5.